how to log in Temu account in PC. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the any web browser. Then, in the search address bar, type down temu.com or type down Temu login or sign in. Now, simply scroll down and tap on it. Now, once you tap on the login page, you'll be navigated to the page where you'll have to enter the email address or simply continue using Facebook, Apple ID, Google, or any other app. So here I'm writing down my email address. So once I do so, simply tap on the continue option available there. Now I'll have to clear this verification process. Once completed the verification process, the verification code will be sent to your email. Now all you have to do is go to the Gmail and check the verification code and simply enter the code here, and you'll be signed in easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.